Apple, celery, and nuts. Okay, tignan natin. Celery. Okay. Remove that shit. That fiber. Stupid shit ass fiber. Yan, remove that. Then thinly sliced. Para masarap. Manipis lang. Pinakamanipis na kaya mo. Onions, manipis din. Pinakamanipis na kaya mo, boy. Anong kaya yan? Sarap yan. Okay, kamatis, bahala ka na. Anong gustong klase? Yan. Hatiin mo sa apat. Tanggalin mo yung gitna. Stainless slice mo din yung apple. Pulido rin yan. Yan o, suka, sesame oil, pepper and salt, mustard, onting mayo, tinikman, nabaliw. Yan, minix. Pulido yan. Pulido yan, dog. Sarap niyan. Simple lang yan. Minix lang, nilagyan ng nuts. And that's it. Napadance.